Well, hello, good people. Mark Holmes here in front of the Red Brick House. And as always, I want to say thank you all for watching, commenting, subscribing, and being part of Jobu's day job, as well as my other channel, Jobu Sports Report. I couldn't be prouder of being here with this Red Brick House. It was 8 years ago this month that I stood in front of the city council with a historic brick talking about saving this place. This place was originally built in 1820 to be a schoolhouse. I believe it is the third oldest masonry school in the country. During the Civil War, it was used as a hospital, as well as the closing battle. One of the closing battles of the Civil War came through the property. Later, of course, it became the Arnold House. The city had bought it and sadly became to the point of disrepair where it was slated to be destroyed. As the saying goes, be careful what you wish for because you might just get it. After finding out the history of the house and that the house was basically condemned and about to be destroyed, I started my quest of saving this house. And this house has now been saved. It's livable. It is incredible. It is a beacon of hope for the city. If I had $1 for every person that I've met that is so happy and excited about how this place is, I probably wouldn't need to do this brick campaign. But our goal here is to actually help this place live on in the history and be here for at least another 200 years, long after I'm gone. We want to get the house registered in the National Registry of Historic Places. The cost of this is about $3,500. And what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a historic brick walkway here. And because of the Waynesboro Historic Commission, they were actually the first ones to donate money, we're going to have 8x8 bricks that are going to go down the center with every decade, 1820, 1830, listed on those, and then 3 significant events that happened during that century. So as you walk up to the house to see it, you'll be going through history, back in history, and you'll see all the significant things that have happened throughout history since this house has been built. And this is where you can come in and help out as well. If you buy one of the donation bricks, like this one right here, this is a sample one. We're actually going to be having the carved in lettering done on these. You'll be able to get 3 lines of text put on here, and you can get put on here what you like within reason. I know Eagle trolls that you're already saying you're going to buy one that say "Fly Eagles Fly." If that's really what you want to do, that's fine. But you can end up putting in your name, and we've already had a couple people who have already purchased bricks as well. And these bricks, of course, will be here with the Red Brick House. And because of these bricks and because of what you guys do, this will help this house live on forever. One of the things that we did when we got the place was we put into the covenants that the house can never be torn down, that the only way that this house can come down is by an act of God or Mother Nature. So our hope is that this will live on forever. And if you help, we're going to get registered as a historic place. So in the link in the description of this video, if you want to be part of this, and I look forward to actually in a couple months putting down this whole brick walkway. I'm Mark Holmes here at the Red Brick House, and I appreciate you.